In this MicroWorkers review, I'm going to be showing you guys if you can really make money by doing micro jobs. So make sure you guys stay to the end of this review as I'm going to show you if this website is really worth your time. If you're new to my channel, my name is Vijay Koshi. I'm a 7-figure affiliate marketer. I do these reviews every single day so that you can get the best ideas about new websites, software, and courses. If you want to get my number one recommended strategy that has personally helped me to go from 0 to 5,000 to almost $10,000 per month, you can click the first link in the description. So I have found a lot of pros and cons on this website over here. By the end of the video, you will really understand if whether MicroWorkers is really worth your time. So the cool thing about MicroWorkers is that it's available worldwide. So no matter where you're from in the world, where you're working, you can probably work whenever you want. It's like a remote job. So it really doesn't take a lot of time as well to complete each job. So I think that's a big con, I would say, because most websites are like this, they want the US, UK, Canada, Australia, so all the top tier countries. So what MicroWorkers is doing, they want everyone in the world to come to their website and do these micro jobs. So that's kind of like a cool thing. I'll come to the cons. Before that, let's have a look at some of the jobs. So you can see there are quite a lot of jobs that you can be getting. Let's look at some of them. So you have ads, monitoring tasks, transcribe, postcard content, then you can sending an inquiry to company, referring an expression in a video, image emotion evaluation, website classification, and just so on. So all of these jobs are not necessarily going to take you a lot of time. It might take you a few minutes to up to maybe 30 or 40 minutes. It can go up to an hour also, but most jobs are going to be just 10 to 15 minutes, which is also a con. And you have jobs on data mining, data annotation, survey, content moderation, AI survey, data mining, and all of that. So you have a lot of jobs. You can get a lot of jobs here. And if you're wondering how much you can be making with this website, it's quite low, I would say. So for each task that you complete, you're going to be making anywhere around 5 cents to about 21 cents. So that's all you can make. So suppose you complete the survey, you are only going to get maybe 10 cents, anywhere around 5 cents to 21 cents. So the average or the sweet spot is always going to be 10 cents for a completed work. So if you actually think about 10 cents, it's actually not a lot of money that you're going to be making. So if each job is going to take you like 50 minutes and you're getting 10 cents for it, an hourly rate, if you look at it, you're only getting paid like 40 cents, which is really, really, really low. And it's not a life-changing money, because with 40 cents an hour, it's basically you're doing the work which is not really worth your time. But if you're from a part of the world where 40 cents an hour is a lot of money, then I think you might have to look ahead at this. But if you're not from certain parts of the world, and if you're from the US, UK, Canada, Australia, big countries like that, I really don't think MicroWorkers is going to make you any extra income, because 40 cents an hour is really low. So if you want to make like $4 per day, it's going to take you about let's say 10 hours. That's how much you have to spend in order to reach 4 hours. $4. So on an average, most people would actually spend 2 or 3 hours maximum, 3 to 4 hours maximum in MicroWorkers. So 40 cents into 3 or 4 hours, it's going to be only $2 to $3 or $1 to $3 realistically. So the maximum amount of money you are going to be making with MicroWorkers is probably like $40 to $50 maximum. So that's kind of like a downfall, because I don't really think it's worth your time. $40 to $50 for working 3 to 4 hours a day for a month is actually very low. And also, if you talk about the payments, you can get paid by PayPal, Skrill, and also I think they have Pioneer. So they have very cool payment options, so you don't have to worry about your payments. And also the thing is that you will have to verify with a code. So in order to get paid, they will send you code to your address, and you have to verify it with MicroWorkers, and that way only you can get paid. And the threshold you want to be getting is $9, which is not a lot of money. Most websites like this, they have $10 to $20 threshold, but this website right over here has just $9. So that is actually a pro right over here. But the main thing to remember, guys, is that it's not going to change your life. It's not life changing income. I really don't think it's a good fit for people who are from the top English speaking countries, because this is not going to be worth your time. But if you're from a country where 40 cents an hour is actually going to help you make a stable life, or help you with anything else, you then should probably go with it. Otherwise, I would stay away from MicroWorkers. So that's basically it for this video of MicroWorkers. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure you like and subscribe. And also, I would like to recommend you my personal strategy, which is a free affiliate marketing guide. If you want to check it out, you can check it out by clicking the first link in the description. So that's it, and I hope to see you on another review video.